All right, today we are doing 4.5. This is side, 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 and side angle, side, triangle congruence. So I'm going to kind of walk you through all of these, and then we're going to be talking about how it ties into triangle proofs. So here we go. First things first, we want to take a look at the sides of our triangle that are congruent. So AB and DE are congruent. Then you can see that BC and EF are congruent. And let's see, AC and DF are congruent. So it's really important that you know what sides match what sides. Okay, so here we go. So if side AB is congruent to side DE, okay, another thing, by the way, let me pause. Another thing is, see how this is in between 1 and 2, and this is in between 1 and 2? It's real important that you know which angles go together, okay? It's real important that you know that, because you have to make sure that these are written in the correct order, right? So I'm going from A to B, so I have to go from D to E. Then the next one, so BC is congruent to EF. And then finally, CA is congruent to FD. So if all of these things are true, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, so we've got all of our sides. They are selected, they're picked out, they're marked. Okay, we have them listed based on the angles. So just make sure that you're doing that when you are doing your own paper. Okay. So that's side, side, side. It means you have 3 pairs. Okay, so let's do this. 3 pairs of congruent sides. That's what this is. Okay, let's move on to side, angle, side. Now I want you to notice where the word angle is. The word angle is in between side and side. So we're looking for an angle that is in between 2 pairs of congruent sides. All right. 2 pairs congruent sides and angle between. Oop. Okay, so the angle between those, that would be a congruent pair. So let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, so here we go. I have AB and DE, those are congruent. I have BC and EF, those are congruent. And then in between, you can see right here, angle B and angle E, those are angles, not sides, and those are congruent. So if side AB is congruent to side DE and angle B is congruent to angle E and side BC is congruent to side EF, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, so this is side, 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 and side, angle, side. And it's really important that you understand that this is a side, this is an angle, this is a side. So here's the matching side, here's the matching angle in between, and then again, matching sides. So side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Back up here, you can always do side, 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 side. So So I'd actually recommend that you do this on your triangles, in addition to all of the markings and the coloring. Okay, so then what we want you to be able to do is determine whether the two triangles we give you are congruent by side, 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 or side, angle, side. So here's what we have to look at. Okay, so I'm going to look at this one, and here's what I notice. I see angle Y and angle K, and then I see QY and KC. Then I see this TY and PK. So I see a side and an angle and a side. So yellow, angle, blue, yellow, angle, and blue. So I like the color because it makes it very visual. So this is side, angle, side. Now you can either write it all out or you can just write the acronym. Okay? Now this one here, one thing you need to remember is that when two triangles share a side like this, that side is reflexive, so it's congruent to itself. So that triangle, the AD, and then this triangle, the AC. So AC for that triangle and AC for that triangle.